Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to unstar a message on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu, find WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Starred Messages. Here you can view the list of messages you have starred. To unstar a message, tap and hold the message to highlight, then tap the Remove Star icon that appears on top of the screen. As you can see, the message has been removed from the starred message list. This is how you can unstar a message on WhatsApp on an Android device.